come to the elevators at the main library at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. These are Montgomery traction elevators that were installed in 1977 that were modernized in the late 90s. Let's go on a ride. These are still mostly original, however, other than the fixture mod. These have EPCO fixtures, Montgomery G&P, Montgomery G&P fixtures. Sorry, Montgomery door plate and EPCO fixtures. GAL interlock. Let's go up to 5. And the door close button works. Capacity 3,500 pounds. No plastic leveling. Let's go back down to 1. And the door close button didn't work this time. EPCO Survivor Plus vandal resistant fixtures, ADA compliant phone, and here we are on 1. These are very fast Montgomery traction elevators. Let's send this one up a couple floors. You can hear the chime out there. Here goes this car. Alright, let's go get this car. Let's hopefully get the right car. I hope get the right car. Get this one. Let's go on a ride on this one. Let's take this one up to 5. This one is very much identical to the middle car. Except this has an accelerated floor indicator. These have lots of character. Installed in 1977, modernized in the 90s. This one also has an ADA compliant phone. Let's go down to 1. EPCO Survivor Plus, vandal resistant fixtures, and EPCO Fire Service, or Adams. They're very much the same. Very nice cab. And here we are on 1. Let's send this one up a couple floors. You can hear the gong. The EPCO gong. This is a 90s EPCO mod. Let's go on the right car. We get this one again. I wanted to get the right car. Let's send this one up. I wanted to get the right car. Hopefully we get this one now, because this one's the most interesting. I don't know. One's still coming. I think we'll get the right car. Yep, we got this one. This is the most interesting car. This one still has the non-ADA COP. And it also has a very interesting EPCO floor passing chime. Let's get our cab view. The Montgomery plate was removed from this one. still a Montgomery. This is a GAL interlock. Can't really see up the shaft, but it has GAL door equipment. Very nice cab. Let's go up to 5. And ADA compliant foam, capacity 3,500 pounds. Let's watch the numbers. I really like that floor passing chime. Let's go down to 1. And you can hear the gong out there. Door close button does not work. Adams fixtures, Survivor Plus, EPCO Adams Fire Service, Adams Survivor, capacity 3,500 pounds, and here we are on 1. Let's take this one on another ride so we can hear the chime again. Door close button does not work. Here we go to 5. Lantern go off outside.